Hi, I'm Shelley Childs. I'm the Cabinet Member for Highways and Environmental Services, but I also love cycling. Ceredigion has so many fantastic cycling opportunities. No wonder it's been chosen as the host county for this year's National Cycling Championships. Come and join me on one of my favourite routes from Cwm to Aberystwyth. Let's go. Look at these amazing views, absolutely fantastic. On a clear day you can see Penllyn and the Derry. Terrain is brilliant, yet challenging. And with terrain like this, no wonder we've bred cyclists like Josh Tarling, Stevie Williams and Griff Lewis, just to name three. Whether you choose to cycle in North Ceredigion, in the middle or in the south, there are a multitude of options and every road is good quality, nice and quiet, and we can't promise the weather every day, but it's very often like this. Bantan ni eto. So here we are in Aberystwyth, from the mountains to the sea. Glorious. So I can't wait till June. We've got the National Championships coming here. There'll be something for everybody, so I hope to see you there.